Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2024 Model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,120,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 308,100 pesos, free transfer of ownership. 2015 Model Kia Picanto EX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 30,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 345,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 85,100 pesos, free transfer of ownership. 2023 Model Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 2.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 40,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,250,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 341,500 pesos, free transfer of ownership. 2019 Model Honda Civic RS, 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 30,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 905,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 120,700 pesos, free transfer of ownership. 2017 model Hyundai Accent GL, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 330,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 74,700 pesos, free transfer of ownership. (2022) model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 835,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 234,700 pesos, free transfer of ownership. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.